After 6 months of being absent here on YouTube, here I am. Zeno Tech Perfect is back with new videos. And you may just notice that there is a decrease in my voice quality, but there's an increase in my video quality. This is because I got a new graphics card and yeah. But the case of the voice, I lost my good microphone, so I will wait another 1 month or so to get a new one, a better one. I'm just using this just to record for the meanwhile. It's just not my main microphone to use. Anyways, this is just news about me, and yeah, I'm coming back to YouTube. And today we are going to speak about how to download Zoom for desktop. Yeah, Zoom for desktop. There is also a mobile version, but we are going to stick to the desktop version. So yeah, let's begin. So yeah, step by step we start this. So firstly you go to your browser and type in zoom.us/download, and then you go to that website. And I can't really believe how Zoom got really popular. It's just a communication app which uses the voice and the video. It's the voice chat or the video chat, you can call it whatever you want. And here you can see a bunch of download buttons. You shouldn't get confused about it because I'm here to help. So for every download button there is a reason for it. This is plugin if you are using it for Skype, yeah, for business. And this is controllers. This could be, you can see the description and it can tell you after you just visit the website. Zoom rooms for conference rooms and screen displays. That's not what we want for desktop. And Zoom client plugin for sharing iPhone/iPad. Yeah, this is for iPhone, iPad users. And this is Zoom mobile apps. Yeah, there is an app in the App Store and an app in the Play Store. And this is just a plugin for Intel unit. And yeah, it depends on how you are going to use Zoom. And this is the extension to just use Zoom in your browser. So yeah, thank you Zoom for giving us all these options to use the app. So yeah, this is for APM and this is for Microsoft. But this is what we want. This is the Zoom client. If you have Windows 10 or iOS, this one is the best for you. So you just click download here. And you click open. In case you have the same browser as mine, it's Edge. And yeah, it should be downloaded so fast. It shouldn't take long. And it depends on your PC and your internet speed. And that's it. You just downloaded Zoom. So yeah, the next thing maybe is the Zoom tutorial someday. Just make sure to, if we reach this video 1000 like, I will make a Zoom tutorial. Yeah, of course. Because you guys want it. It's all up to you guys. So I hope this was helpful, and give me a comment of any thought you have about this app or what you are using it for. And yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one. I do a lot of computer tutorials. I really stick to the popular topics and your topics, guys. So if you keep requesting You can even email me some video requests and I will make it for you, hopefully. And yeah, that's it for the video of today. I'll see you in the next video.